So with that in mind, we decided to pay the innovator a visit and see what he's been working on. First, we checked out his project from last year, which has already blossomed into a full-fledged startup called Spins. Here at their production and service facility in Moscow, they showed off their unique light blasting technology developed by Alexander himself. Thanks to high-powered water and the right mix of abrasives, industrial buildups can be sprayed away in a matter of mere minutes. Now, blasting dirt and grime is nothing new. Typically, things like rotor blades and aircraft engines are cleaned using sand blasting techniques. Given the potential to damage these important parts, past technologies had tried to strike the right balance between removing buildup and not harming the structural integrity of the underlying surface. But as you can see here, the previously rusted and seriously dirty tools have now become as good as new.
In the West, they mostly use abrasive agents such as sodium carbonate or dry ice, which are less harsh than methods involving physical impact. However, all these methods have several major downsides, such as higher material costs, high production costs, and difficulties in tackling complex cleaning tasks. We have managed to develop solutions for all of these issues. Our development relies on domestic materials, which can be easily produced in any of Russia's regions.
Unlike traditional blasting methods, Spins' MULTIBLAST mixes water with the abrasive at the very beginning. This is to take advantage of something called the Rebender effect. Back in 1928, the Soviet scientist Pyotr Rebender showed that solids can be broken down more easily when they come into contact with an absorption-active liquid like water. Armed with this, compressed air is used to accelerate the mixture to the speed of sound and is fired at the buildup we want to get rid of. However, with Spins' MULTIBLAST, the abrasive is completely encased by a small water bubble. The size of the abrasive granules depends on what we want to get rid of. The unique thing here is that on contact, the pillow of water works its way into the pores of the buildup. That has the dual benefit of penetrating and weakening the structure of the target, as well as softening the potentially harmful effect the abrasive has on the underlying surface.
Our invention, as well as production unit, have gone through the complete process, from an idea to the product. We started with designs, then produced prototypes. We went through the patenting process. Then we produced a pilot batch of 3 units. We made them manually, all by ourselves. By the time we got our patents and were ready for commercial production, our solution had evolved into an innovative product.
And there's apparently no shortage of interested customers, especially in the energy sector. At thermoelectric power plants like these, serious buildups on important parts can eat into the energy efficiency and profits, as well as increase the chance of an accident. But moving from cleaning power plants to what we do with electricity is the topic of Alexander's most recent creation.